All right, guys, doing one of my walk around videos. Y'all know how I do in the shop. Walk around and see what everybody else doing. I do that from time to time. Anyway, I know y'all recognize this center console, but do you recognize this? I'm getting ready to start it out. I want y'all to listen to something. In fact, let me open the door so y'all can hear it real good. Y'all hear that? Yeah, I bet some of y'all think that's a big, powerful engine, right? In fact, let's go find out. Ladies and gentlemen, what's under the hood of this vehicle is, ta-da! Yes, Pentastar 3.6 V6 engine. In fact, this is the Generation 2. Y'all know what's weird? This is a 2020 model, right? This is not broke, guys. Don't panic. Hold on. Hold your fire. Hold your fire. Hold your fire, guys. This is not in for no ticking noise or anything like that. This is a 2020 model. In fact, somebody asked me that the other day. I wasn't sure how to answer it, but now I can visibly see. This is a 2020 model Dodge Charger. It obviously had some add-on to the exhaust. The reason why it sounds like that. But what I'm more fascinated by is it does not have an EGR cooler, which means this is a Generation 2. Okay, the Generation 3s are not in the Dodge Charger with the 2020 model. Okay, it's just not. I can visually see this, and I know this is 2020 because that's what was on the repair order. All right, guys. So yes, like I said, obviously have some add-on accessories to the exhaust to make it sound as powerful. Now, y'all know what I want to do? I want to check the price difference. Okay, I want to know what's the difference between a new Charger with a 5.7 Hemi in it versus a new Charger with a 3.6 Pentastar. It has to be a major difference because people will buy the Chargers with the 3.6 and automatically start adding stuff to it to make it sound like a 5.7 Hemi, or for that matter, make it go as fast. Trying to chase horsepower, guys. They try to chase horsepower. So my thinking is, or my theory is, why not buy the car already equipped with that? All right, then you'll have no way to go but up as far as that goes. But I don't know, guys. It sounds real good. I don't have the car in the air. If they purchase the repairs and I'm able to let it up in the air, we're gonna take a peek under there. All right, but yes, this is a Generation 2 Pentastar engine. Now, I would, if I had to be a guessing man, I would say they have updated lash adjusters and rocker arms on this car. So even now you shouldn't have the problem, guys. I'm sure they have the latest and greatest parts installed in the engine. It's not that the Gen 1 or the Gen 2 was bad engine. It's just those had poorly designed parts from the vendor. So, go figure. All right, guys. So I don't want anybody to panic. What was we talking? We were saying about the Generation 2, Generation 1. It's not that they was bad engines. It's just the vendor supplied parts. Those parts that was installed back in 2011, 12, 13, 14 was crappy parts. Okay, so the parts have been redesigned. The valve train parts have been redesigned. So once those are updated or replaced with the new redesigned, improved valve train parts, such as rocker arm, you shouldn't have any camshaft, rocker arm, valve train ticking noise problem. That is this case. It likely would not have any of that issue. Any of those issues, even though it's a Generation 2, because the parts that's being used have been redesigned and updated, guys. But yes, like I say, this sounds it's a nice little rumble. Yeah. All right. I just now it's a different rumble than a 5.7 Hemi. Don't get me wrong. Let's not get crazy, but it's worth entertaining. Okay. In fact, let me give it a little gas. Y'all listen. Yeah. A little baby rumble. Fairly entertaining. Okay, guys, I'm done. I just wanted to entertain. Alrighty, guys, y'all see this? That Nissan something. I'm not sure what kind of Nissan it is, but the reason over here, guys, you know, the body shop or the used car department is really on the other side, but our used car guys came down with illness. Okay, so they out for 14 days, guys. You guys be careful out there, man. Do whatever you're supposed to do or whatever you think you need to do to protect yourself. So, but they should be fine and back up and running in about 2 weeks. I guess that's how long 14 days is, ain't it? Well, anyway, we are now doing used car inspections, and this is I forgot the look, Nissan Murano. Guys, I sound like a straight amateur, don't I? Look at that. I have no idea. I just pushed that button and the bell went off. What these things look like inside? Not bad. Roomy, guys. See, he doing brakes on them. Y'all see how he already resurfaced the rotor. He already got the fronts done. So I guess he waiting on well, he already got the fronts and the rear done. Just guess he waiting to finish it. Yes. What is that? How many miles on that? Just 38. Shouldn't have no problem at all selling this thing, guys. Look, fairly roomy. Y'all know what I want to see. I'm interested to know what's going on under here. The big Nissan. I got a Nissan truck, guys. 93 model. All right, y'all know my truck. Y'all know what I use it for. Nissan want to get fancy and hide the hood release. Oh, there it is. Let's see what we're working with, guys. A V6. Wonder if this is the equivalent of our 3.6 V6 Pentastar. I don't know. All right, but yes, 38,000 miles. Okay, this is an 18 Murano. Am I even pronouncing that right? All right, yes, this is going back on a lot quick. They don't play around. These imports, they seem the resale value on the imports are. I mean, it's crazy when people come to Chrysler dealer looking for used cars of import brands. Ain't that crazy? Our biggest seller, guys, right now is likely the Challengers and the Chargers, Scat Pack Hemis and all that stuff. Yes, that is doing us very well, rightfully so. It's a good thing. I think they have that patented, guys. So can't nobody really bite our style, bite FCA style as far as that go. But that's a good thing because that car is really keeping FCA afloat. Sunroof, guys. Yes. After they clean this up, wash it up real good, it's gonna be make somebody a happy car owner. Mere fact that it's a Nissan alone tickles some people fancy. All right, enough of that. All right, guys, let's go over here because I want to tell y'all about